Hola mi gente and welcome back to Sticky Counters. Today I'm going to be making an easy cocktail called Amaro and Tonic. So let's get started. Alright, so to get started what you're going to need is your trusty shaker. We're going to cut this blood orange in half. Perfect. And now what you do is literally squeeze and throw into the shaker. Super easy. So now we're gonna add our Amaro. Now what is Amaro? Amaro is an Italian digestive filled with a bunch of different spices. So we're gonna put 2 ounces of that into our tin. So this is a nice low ABV cocktail, something refreshing, light that you could sip on, during the whole day if you want. You could have 4 or 5 of these cocktails because they're not super strong. So super on the light and refreshing side. So now that we have 2 ounces of this, we're gonna muddle everything to get all those juices, to get all that bitterness that we want from the skins, the oils, from the blood orange. Perfect. And now we're just gonna add some ice. Throw the ice into the tin. Big shaker, put it right on top, hit it 2 times to really lock everything in. Flip and shake. Perfect. Now what you want to do is grab our coupe glass and we're just going to strain right in there. So right now we just have the Amaro, a little blood orange in there. So the flavors are just beautiful. I mean, you can really smell the blood orange, the oils, everything's like coming up right into my nose. And now we're just going to top it off with some tonic. Now what the tonic's doing is bringing not a bitter quality, but it's bringing that citrus bitter flavor that you want for this drink. And we're just gonna top it off. It's about 1.5 ounces. And then for garnish, a nice rosemary sprig. Now what you wanna do with this is smack it to release the oils and aromatics of the rosemary. Go like this and throw it right on top. And look at that, a super easy cocktail. You didn't break the bank. Another on a budget cocktail. So there you have it, Amaro and Tonic or A&T. Cheers. Oh my God, really tasty. Like I said before, light, crisp, refreshing. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or you want me to try one of your recipes, leave a comment below. I'm more than happy to shake that up. And please, if you want to see more content like this, hit that subscribe button. You know what to do. And thanks again. I'll see you soon. Cheers.